In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT as a free virtual assistant. Whether you're looking to streamline your daily tasks or just want some help with ideas or information, this tool can be incredibly handy. Let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process to get you started. First, you'll want to navigate to your preferred web browser. Once there, simply head over to Google. You can do this by typing Google into the address bar or using a bookmark if you have one set up. With Google open, the next step is to conduct a search. In the search bar, you'll need to type ChatGPT. This will pull up various links related to ChatGPT, including the one you're looking for, which is the official website. Once the results populate, you'll see different options. Look for the link that directs you to the ChatGPT website. It's usually one of the top results and should have a description about OpenAI or ChatGPT services. Give that a click, and it will take you to the main page of ChatGPT, where you can interact with the virtual assistant. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to engage with your new virtual assistant. In the input box, which should be prominent on the page, type in your initial prompt. This is where you ask the assistant what you need help with. The beauty of ChatGPT is its versatility, so whether you need a quick answer, detailed research, or help composing an email, you can start the conversation here. After typing your prompt, it's critical to submit it to see the response. There's usually a submit button located near the input field. Click this button, and ChatGPT will quickly analyze your request and generate a response. You'll see a display of information, a written piece, or suggestions based on your input. Once you've received a response, feel free to dive deeper. You can click on the search bar again to refine your request or ask follow-up questions. It's a space to get more specific if your initial query was broad or if you're tackling a particularly complex task. For additional queries or detailed tasks, simply type another prompt into the search bar. This can be as specific or vague as you like. The key here is to give ChatGPT enough information to work with so it can assist you effectively. Again, ensure that you click Submit to process your request. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to navigate ChatGPT easily and use it as a powerful virtual assistant, all for free. With regular use, you'll find it becomes an indispensable part of your routine, enhancing productivity and offering creative support whenever you need it.